Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Papineauville is a charming little town along the Ottawa River in Quebec. Papineauville is located in the Outaouais region, right between Montreal and Ottawa, making it a perfect spot to explore the countryside of Quebec while staying close to big cities. Papineauville was named after Louis-Joseph Papineau, a prominent politician and leader in Quebec's history, known for his role in advocating for the rights of French Canadians in the early 1800s. He was also an influential seigneur, or landowner, and had a big impact on this area. Papineau's influence shaped not only the community but also the architecture, with some of the town's buildings reflecting styles from the era. The town is surrounded by rolling hills, farmlands, and forested areas, giving it the classic rural Quebec charm. Plus, it's right on the Ottawa River, which has been a historically important waterway for transportation, trade, and even as a gathering spot for Indigenous peoples long before European settlers arrived. One of the highlights here is the Montebello area nearby, home to the famous Chateau Montebello, the largest log cabin in the world. It's a beautiful spot for visitors looking to relax, enjoy nature, and even spot some wildlife. In Papineauville itself, you can find cozy local shops, friendly faces, and a welcoming vibe that makes this place feel like home. The town also celebrates its French-Canadian roots with local events and festivals throughout the year, bringing people together to enjoy Quebec's culture and traditions. Whether you're here to learn about history, explore the outdoors, or just take in the peaceful rural landscapes, Papineauville has something special to offer. Thanks for joining me as we explore this beautiful, historic town.
Mm-hmm.